Imagine this. You have an amazing business idea. Maybe it's a digital agency, maybe it's your personal brand, or maybe you just want a sleek portfolio site. Normally, building a website takes days, weeks, or even months. You'd have to worry about design, code, hosting, domains, SEO, and the list goes on. But what if I told you that you could create a professional website in just a few minutes, without hiring a developer, without learning coding, and without stressing over design choices? That's exactly what Readdy.ai claims to do. Today, we're going to dive deep into this AI-powered website builder, test it out, and see if it really delivers on the hype. By the end of this video, you'll know if Readdy is the right tool for you, or just another AI gimmick. So, let's start with the basics. What is Readdy.ai? In simple terms, it's an AI website builder. Instead of dragging blocks around like Wix or Squarespace, or spending hours customizing templates, you simply tell Readdy what you want. You type in a short description of your business or project, hit enter, and the AI generates an entire website for you. Layouts, sections, images, and even the text. Think of it as your personal website designer, developer, and content writer all rolled into one. Let's talk about features in more detail, because this is where Readdy tries to differentiate itself from traditional builders. First, everything is all in one. You don't have to worry about hosting, SSL certificates, or external SEO plugins. It's built in. Second, it's incredibly fast. What would normally take hours of fiddling with settings and themes is condensed into a few clicks. But hold on, I don't want to make this sound too perfect. Let's look at some limitations. Because the AI is generating content for you, the text it produces can sometimes feel generic. So, if you want something unique that captures your brand voice, you'll likely need to go in and edit. Also, while it's amazing for small businesses, freelancers, and quick landing pages, it may not be the best solution for large-scale projects or companies that require highly custom features, like advanced booking systems or complex databases. Think of Readdy as a powerful starting point, not a replacement for a fully custom-coded site. So, who is Readdy really for? I'd say entrepreneurs who want to validate an idea quickly, freelancers who need a professional online presence without spending weeks on it, small businesses that need a clean site on a budget, and creators who just want a personal brand site without the tech headaches. If you're someone who values speed, simplicity, and affordability, the answer is yes. It's a game changer for people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites. However, if you're a developer, a designer, or someone who needs very specific features, you may find it limiting. I'd actually recommend thinking of it as your MVP website tool. Get your site live, start attracting customers, and then decide later if you need something more advanced. Readdy is a fully automated website builder. Whether you're starting a business, an online store, or building a landing page, you can launch a professional website in minutes. Readdy makes website creation easy, with a growing library of high-quality templates designed for speed, flexibility, and stunning websites. Whether you're promoting a business, launching an online store, or building a personal page, you'll find professional design layouts tailored to your goals. Skip the complex setup, endless plugin installs, and hours spent tweaking templates. Readdy uses artificial intelligence to streamline website creation. No code, no learning curve. Just present the result directly to you. Build your first AI-powered website in minutes. No coding, no clutter. Just input your ideas and launch a professional website instantly. Now, let me show you how it actually works. When you head over to the Readdy.ai website, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up. The process is super quick and easy. You can either create a new account with your email, or, the faster option, just continue with your Google account. I personally recommend using Google because it takes only a few clicks and you're instantly logged in. Once you're signed in, Readdy will guide you through a very simple onboarding process. It asks you a few quick questions about the type of website you want to build. These questions help the AI understand your needs better so it can generate the perfect site tailored just for you. After answering those initial questions, you'll land on the Readdy dashboard. The dashboard is super clean and minimal. Nothing overwhelming, just what you need right in front of you. At the center, you'll see a big input box where you can tell the AI exactly what kind of website you want to create. So let's try it out together. In the text box, I'm going to type, "I want to make a personal portfolio website for a Gen Z content creator." The site should include an About section, showcase videos, blog posts, and a contact page. The design should feel trendy, colorful, and minimal. Once I hit enter, Readdy will start working behind the scenes to generate the website based on this prompt. And that's the magic. No coding, no complicated setup, just describing what you want and letting the AI bring it to life. Live instantly with a unique link you can share with anyone. That means in less than 5 minutes, you've gone from an idea in your head to a fully published, professional-looking website. Before we wrap up, let me give you my final verdict. Readdy.ai isn't just another AI toy. It's practical, it works, and it can save you both time and money. Is it flawless? Number. But for most small businesses and creators, it's more than enough. So would you trust AI to build your website? Or do you still believe nothing can replace a custom design? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them down in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to AI LedgerX for more in-depth AI reviews, and share this video with a friend who's struggling to launch their website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.